Hey guys, it's Bobbie Whitaker, and I want to get on here and excuse me, crazy hair. All right, I want to get on here because we have this amazing energy bundle. Wowzers! Have you seen this? Like the wow factor that with the new energy bundle? Well, I want to go through it and unbox it with you guys because it is truly phenomenal. And right now you can get it. It's $300 worth of products for $150. Like, that's craziness. It's going on through August 16th. I would get it now if you can, because I don't know if they'll be able to keep these in stock. But this is the new energy bundle packaging, and again, it's the new price that they have for a limited time for new customers. So if you are not brand new and you're not sure how to get in on this deal, message one of us and we can probably help you with that. If you want in on this deal, message that person who got you into this group and let them know you want in on this deal, okay? Don't miss out on this. Everybody needs to get in on this. So anyway, this is the new packaging. We're gonna open it up and show you what's inside. So first of all, you have this beautiful, again, it's just how they've done everything is so amazing. It's just beautifully done. Let you know, this is the energy bundle. It's yellow, bright yellow, so you can tell this is for energy. What I love about it, though, we have a lot of people asking us, hey, is this going to cause adrenal fatigue and things like that? No, this energy is from natural plants. So that's what's great about it. It's not just full of caffeine and going to hype you up and then you're going to crash. No, that's what I love about it. It's not going to do that to you. Matter of fact, I've been taking XM Plus for like 5.5 years and it's only helped me. So this is just amazing products, and it's full of nutrition, and that's where it's so healing to the body, because you're getting nutrition that you probably wouldn't be getting. Well, you just wouldn't be getting it normally because it's not in our soils anymore. If you've heard me give a presentation, I talk about how back in the 1940s the government said that our soils are depleted from nutrition, and that's why they started synthetically fortifying all of our breads and our cereals and our milks and our pastas and things like that, and it's full of synthetic nutrition, which is now linked to Alzheimer's, now linking that to autism and things like that. So synthetic nutrition is really not what we want to be getting. We want to get whole food nutrition, and Zija literally went to all the trouble to grow this moringa in 200 locations to find where it pulled the most nutrition, and it was in the Himalayan mountains that it pulled the most nutrition. So that's where they get their moringa from, and not only do they use just the leaves, but they're also using the seeds and the fruit. All right, so this is your XM Plus, my favorite. Again, I've been taking this for 5.5 years. I love this. This is how I start my every single day. But real quickly, before we go over that, we're gonna pull out, like I said, it comes all beautifully packaged. This is the Prime. So this is really what you're gonna start with in the morning. And the Prime, I was just listening to some information about, this is a nitric oxide activator. Nitric oxide activator. So if you have high blood pressure, this is definitely something you want to be on, right? It's a nitric oxide activator, which means it's going to help open up the blood flow. Jason gives a really good example of this. He said, say your artery to your kidney is decreased or obstructed by 40%, which they say after age 40, which is happening even sooner than that in some people, that your blood flow decreases by 40%. So say your kidney, the artery to the kidney is obstructed by 40% to 50%. Now your kidney has to work 2 times, double the amount that it would normally have to work just to function normally. And so that's what's happening to people, is their organs are wearing out due to obstruction in their circulatory system. So that's what this is doing. It's opening up the blood vessel, making that a wider path for that blood to more easily flow through. And that's what this is. And you just open it up, put it on your tongue, and literally just swish it in your mouth in the morning. Even before you brush your teeth. They say that bacteria in your mouth is actually a good thing, so just swish it around in your mouth for about 30 to 45 seconds and let that dissolve in your mouth, and it tastes like candy, honestly. But that's gonna wake you up a little bit. It's going to open up that blood flow. It helps the memory, because it's getting more oxygen to your brain, which is pretty awesome. I love that. I definitely noticed an increase in focus with it. So I am in the morning taking it right before I go and exercise. It also helps with endurance. They say it'll help, especially if you're doing like high intensity kind of workouts and things like that. It's going to help you. I even had a guy told me in his physical therapy, he noticed if he took it before physical therapy, he was able to do more. And that's what I've noticed with my workouts, is I'm able to get a better workout in if I do this Prime right before I work out. So I do this first, Then I put my XM Plus in my water, and that's the other beautiful part of this package, your XM Plus. So that's the moringa with a little bit of natural plant caffeine in there, and some garlic and just some herbs that help your immune system. So really just mostly moringa. So you're gonna pour that. I use a Yeti cup. That's my favorite thing. Some people like it a little different. I use crushed ice and a straw and a couple of stevia, and it tastes like tea to me. It doesn't taste bad at all. If you ever have any issue with the taste, I tell people take it for 3 days. It will, your body will crave it, because that nutrition, it knows it's so good for it and needs it. So pour that in your water, drink it down. It's an amazing way to start your day. It's way better than coffee because you're gonna go up, but you don't go down and you don't crash, right? I used to get those crashes from coffee all the time, and it frustrated the dickens out of me and made me so mad, because I was like, energy is good, but I don't wanna crash, right? So this XM Plus is amazing. So do that in the morning. Some people, if you are sensitive to caffeine, then you might wanna take and do half in the morning and half at lunch, okay? And that's also a way to make that energy spread throughout the day too. Okay, we got 2 more things in here. The CBD, beautifully packaged in our beautiful box. So you've got your CBD in here, and man, I could go on for an hour about CBD, but it is, it's what feeds that endocannabinoid system, right? So if you haven't heard of the endocannabinoid system, look it up. We've got that whole presentation about that in this page, so check that out. Jason and I go in thorough detail, but basically what the endocannabinoid system is doing is it's balancing out all the systems of the body. So your circulatory system, your nervous system, your endocrine system, your muscular system. So if you're having spasms, guess what? This is a great thing for that. If you're having muscle spasms, it's going to try to calm that hyperactivity of that system down. If you're having anxiety or depression, right, it's going to try to bring you, say you're having anxiety, you're way up here, it's going to try to bring you down to a 5 and bring you back to normal and midline. If you're having depression, you're way down here, it's going to try to bring you back to midline, back to the 5. So CBD is great for that. Pain and inflammation, again, it's also trying to bring that back to normal levels instead of keeping it at a hyper state. So it's always going to try to bring your body back to balance and homeostasis, and that's what I love about CBD, is that it literally feeds the system of your body just like nutrition does. So this is something you're really going to want to do on a daily basis. I was just hearing a stat on this from Dr. David Allen, retired cardiac surgeon, who said that literally if you're using this on a daily basis, and say you just happen to have a heart attack or a stroke, he said it would reduce the amount of damage that your body would then have by 40% or more. And he said there is no medication that can do that. Not even 2% can a medication handle, but this is going to help you by 40 to 50%. So it's definitely something you want to have in your body at all times. That just literally lets you know right there. And just for the cognitive effects, the benefits of your memory and your brain health and those kinds of things. So, all right. CBD for the win, right? The other thing I learned about CBD and this nitric oxide activator is they both are great for weight loss. This helps with mitochondrial activity and cell-to-cell communication. Oh, I'm pointing to the wrong thing, sorry. Prime is what I was meaning. Prime, the nitric oxide activator, is also very good as to help your body with, to not gain white fat, which the white fat is the visceral fat, the fat that gets around the organs. So that's the hard fat to lose. That's the fat that we kind of deal with at New You with our technology. But this helps you to not gain that, and it also helps with cell-to-cell communication. CBD, also good to help change the white fat to the brown fat. So again, it's just helping your body get healthier so that you can release that weight. And again, it's just helping your body in so many ways that it's really, it's like almost we can talk easier about what it's not doing rather than what it is doing, because it's doing so many benefits for your body. But definitely, I know for me, shoulder pain, inflammation, sleeping better at night, decreasing any kind of anxiety, and just increasing the calm feelings, which is amazing. And then lastly, got in our beautiful white and yellow box, our AGX Energy. And what I love about this is that it's a clinical grade essential oil. Trent has given me a great suggestion on putting this in water every day, and I love the taste of that. This has orange and tangerine and also some clove, which clove is an excellent, is excellent for killing different bacteria, viruses, fungi, things like that. So this is a good one to get into your body on a daily basis. You can actually use, and I brought out with me, a little capsule and put this in. So if you don't love the taste, that's okay. Just put it in your little capsule and then you can still get the benefits of it. So that's the great thing, is put 3 or 4 drops in here and you're still getting the benefits. If you do like the taste of it like I do, I love to put it in my water, and that makes me drink more water, which we're always trying to get more water in, because my goal is to get in a gallon of water a day. Rachel started us out on that challenge to get a gallon of water a day in, and it is a challenge on a daily basis. So this helps you to get that water in and flush your system of toxins. And again, get those bad guys out. We're always talking about that. You know, feed and nourish your body and get out the bad guys, the viruses, the bacteria, the fungi, mycotoxins, things like that. And this has clove oil in it, which is a very good one to just help your system overall to fight against that and help the immune system, right? Okay, well, I hope you can see how beautiful that is. I hope you order this and don't miss out, because it is a phenomenal deal. We were buying all of these, but we were paying full price. So we were literally spending over $300. So for them to put this into a bundle like this is just like a little piece of heaven. And I love the packaging and the colors, and just makes me happy. All the yellow. All right, if you guys have any questions or if you want in on this deal, don't miss out on it. Message the person that got you into this group. Message me and I'll try to help you find the person that got you into this group. But we are here to help you. We just don't want you to miss out. This is a phenomenal deal, and I don't think it's going to be going on after the 16th. That's the last day. So get on it now. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy it. And I will leave you with my beautiful box. Let's see if I can close it. Yeah, I just kind of want to keep it and just keep it. It's just beautiful. All right, have a great one. God bless.